You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more biblical names from the Bible, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Stay tuned, I've got more videos. It's pronounced in Hebrew, Iscah. Iscah. In English, it's more commonly pronounced as Iscah. How do you pronounce it yourself? Where are you from? Let us know in the comments so we can learn from your pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.